I've had a chance to try out these ZRE black retractable ink pens, and I think they work really well for planner pens. So definitely I've experienced the no smear, no bleed that it says on the packaging. It's great that it doesn't have poison, and it does dry very quickly. I can prove that. So let's get started. The pen head size is 0.38, so just remove the initial covering and then you can experience the pen. The ink is food grade raw material, so I find that interesting. That means that it is non-toxic, non-allergy inducing. So how many companies can say that? Now, when I am writing, I find that it is very fluent, which is excellent, and there's no ink jumping, if you will. And I think once you try the 0.38 tip, it is very hard to go back. All around, a very nice planner pen, and I'm excited to use it.